natural sisters, you are highly welcome to my channel. My name remains Id Francis and I'm damn passionate about the natural hair. That's why I always come in here to give you some tips and tricks on how you can actually manage your hair and enjoy whatever hair texture that you have, be it high porosity, low porosity, and even the normal hair porosity. So I actually have a product which I actually bought recently because before that I think I need to take this off. My hair should be dry by now. I actually washed my hair today, so I want to go in with the product I'll be showing you at the end of this video. I actually have a normal hair, you could see, so I just washed my hair. It's still very coily and I don't have any product in it for now. But even at that, even despite the fact that I have a normal hair porosity that absorbs product and all of that, I just find out that the previous product that I was using, if I apply on it, it actually stays on top of the hair. It doesn't really go in well, so I still find them on top of the hair despite all the things I do. So I actually got to see this product and I want to share it with you guys. I'm really very excited about this. But before I do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and when you subscribe, do not forget to click on the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you like this video, what are you waiting for? Girl, please kindly help me share this video with your friends and the rest of the natural sisters, and for people that are yet to actually go natural. I know that most people that have a very tight, most people that have a very low porosity, most of them actually turns to heat in order for the product to absorb. So I actually have tips on what you can do instead of actually using direct heat, that is either flat tonguing, blow drying, or the cap, because I don't subscribe to any kind of heat, because my previous hair was permed hair, or relaxed hair as we call it here in Nigeria, and it's not something I really like. Since I went natural like 8 months ago, I don't really want to go back to anything that has to do with heat. So I always discourage people from using heat. Instead of that, I give them an alternative to heat. So one of the things I'm going to tell you, if you have a very low porosity hair, which the hair strands are actually very tight, exactly, find it very difficult for it to absorb moisture. No matter what you put on it, you still find it on top of the product. Your hair will always be looking dull. It doesn't really look shiny. It's actually discouraging you from going natural. You want your hair to look like the person that has a medium to high porosity hair and all of that. What you should do, you should always make sure that your hair products are warm. That way, so what you need to do before you use the water in your spray bottle, you should make sure that you just heat it up a little. It should actually be warm, so that way your hair shafts are actually going to open up and it will absorb the product better. Number two, you should, whenever you're washing your hair, no matter how hot the weather is, I recommend you use warm water to wash your hair, because that way it's gonna open up your hair shafts and the product is going to penetrate faster. Three is that if the hair product they are using is actually very thick, so I highly recommend you dilute it with water. You shouldn't make it very thick, so you should dilute it with water and before applying it onto your hair. That way it's gonna, the product is going to work really well into your hair. Four is you should always love your hair type, love the porosity of your hair. You don't need to like start thinking, oh, I wish I have that kind of hair porosity, because all of us, we're all created beautiful. So it is when you start comparing your hair type or the kind of porosity you have to the other ones, that's when you started feeling, oh my god, I should go cut my hair. Because a friend of mine actually told me a few days ago that she almost cut her hair because products weren't penetrating into her hair. So it was actually very difficult for her to manage her hair. So I actually gave her these tips and it really worked for her. So I pray it works for you well. So let me go straight and show you the product I have. This product is Harmony Naturals. It is produced here in Nigeria. It's Harmony Naturals. It is produced here in Nigeria. It is 100% natural and it's produced with shinkaki oil and fenugreek oil. So let me show you how the product is. I actually poured in a bowl, so that way I think it's gonna work well. And I have a spoon here. So the product is actually very light, which actually goes into the hair very well. very, very well. So no matter what, it's not going to stay on top of your hair. So I'm just gonna do it so that you see what I am talking about. So I'm gonna take, let me show you. So I'm gonna take this on my palm and walk into my hair. So can you see this? It's actually going deep into my hair shaft, because the rest of the product I actually used actually stayed on top of my hair because they were damn too thick. It didn't just go into my hair at all, and it didn't go into my hair at all. So you could see how the product works. This product is only available in Nigeria for now, so I'm gonna leave the link in my description box right below. So if you need this, if you are watching my video from any other country and you need this product, please kindly contact me. This is not a paid video. This is not a paid or sponsored video. So I just want to share this product with you. It is not paid. It is just a product that will really work for your kind of hair. So see, and it's not expensive as well. It comes in 370 ml. Let me show you. So you can see how the product is in my hair, actually going into my hair. So one trick I actually do is that after the product goes into my hair, because I don't like, so I'll just remove the product like this one. I don't know whether I can see this. I'll actually use it to apply on the other hair. So let me just go right into it. So you can see I really love this product. It smells nice, and one thing amazing about this product is that it is 100% natural. I mean 100% natural. Not even the flavors are actually altered, so you'll be sure that you're getting 100% natural hair product with this. So you could see so I'm going to repeat the whole process. I don't know, can you actually see the way? Yeah, so I'm going to repeat this thing for the whole of my hair. So just keep watching so that you see the final result. You really understand why I love this product. So this is how my hair looks like after applying the Harmony leave-in conditioner into my hair. So you could see how the way it absorbs this. Before, it used to sit on top of my hair. So if you really like this video, please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and families as well. Until another time, this is where I'm gonna be ending my video. Catch ya. Love you. Please share this video.